that how we should be determined. Because again and again, like it goes as if it is talking about enthusiasm, like it's mixed. There is not much difference per se. One person who is determined will be enthusiastic, or the one who is enthusiastic will be determined. So what is the difference between the two? Share. Is there any difference or there is no difference? What is the difference? What is one thing which differentiates between the two? You have to come in front and please, we need your association. Okay, eating. Okay, yeah, but you can speak from there.
Sometimes enthusiasm comes and goes.
Determination also comes and goes.
I think determination is something we decide to do it, but enthusiasm is actually doing it.
This is the difference. Determination is our mental decision to do something, but when you put it into actions, that is called as enthusiasm. So there is acting on your determination makes you determination actually work, and that is enthusiasm. So how Prabhupada defines enthusiasm, that's very interesting. Srila Prabhupada says enthusiasm means endeavor executed with intelligence in Krishna consciousness. If you see every single word what Srila Prabhupada says is so important. This endeavor, it means there has to be an action. Not that you say determined, but now I'm going to be patient till the thing it happens. No, we have to put endeavors. But then he is using the word which is executed with intelligence in Krishna consciousness. So there may be people, or there may be we also sometimes do a lot of endeavor to achieve something, but not to go forward in Krishna consciousness, and that is not enthusiasm. So endeavors or actions, what we do to go forward in Krishna consciousness is the exact definition Prabhupada gives as enthusiasm in spiritual life. Prabhupada makes a very, very beautiful line, which is very well known, or many people repeat this, about devotional service is not a matter of sentimental speculation or imaginative ecstasy. You see, again, like it might sound a little bit of big words, but if you try and understand, it really makes our understanding of Krishna consciousness, devotional life very clear. Prabhupada makes what it is not and what it is. It is not a matter of sentimental speculation. Sometimes when we come into Krishna consciousness, Jai. I think I was, probably Mataji was saying that there was one Prabhupada disciple. Prabhupada would say anything. We should have a temple here. Jai Prabhupada. Yes, Prabhupada. We should have this similar garden for Prabhupada. Yes, Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. So once that their devotee were going, and then Prabhupada was walking, and then Prabhupada mentioned that this is such a beautiful building. We should have a temple like this. Yes, Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. We should have beautiful kirtans going on. Yes, Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. And then there was one dog coming. Prabhupada said, we should have dog. Yes, Prabhupada. Jai Prabhupada. Prabhupada said, why? Why should we have dog? Because you said. Prabhupada said, this is called just Jai mentality. This is not right. You should know why things are what I'm saying. I don't need dogs in temples. But Prabhupada was trying to make a statement that we cannot be emotional or sentimental. So devotional service is not sentimental, emotional, sentimental speculation or imaginative ecstasy. Sometimes we feel, oh, I want to be part of Gopi, or I want to be Krishna Lila, and I want to have ecstatic relationship with Krishna. But Prabhupada says that is not our process. Our process is, then it follows, it is a substance. The substance of devotional service is practical activity. So he has told what devotional service is not and what devotional service is. It's a practical activity. It's important to have clarity about what devotional service is, and to do it actively means actually being enthusiastic. So I just wanted to say that it is basically action when we put it into Krishna consciousness. So we all have put actions into our life, right? We all put endeavors, and we all show enthusiasm in life. So I'm going to now, all of you have papers, or anyone who doesn't have paper? Most of you have? You have extra, right, here? Or we have more papers here? Yeah, everybody should have one paper. Means on the back side of the paper, if you don't have, and do you all have pen? If not, there are more pens on the table, you can just grab. Go on the back side of the paper and divide it into like left and right half, On the left side, just write 1 or 2 activities which you feel you are very enthusiastic in your life to do. And on other side, write at least 2 activities which you think you should be enthusiastic, but you are not enough and you would like to be more enthusiastic doing those things in your life. Okay? So,
Just
can I
devotional
just,
service or just anything else?
whatever you want. So on one side, just write at least 2. If you want 3, that's maximum enough. What you are very enthusiastic in life already. On other side, what you want to be enthusiastic to be.
I have a question.